Here are the main stories of the day. Health Minister Ampreen Lingdaw said that she will need to find out if the centre has given any SOPs for the treatment of this new Mpox or monkeypox virus. While speaking to reporters yesterday, Lingdaw said that the state government cannot take protocols and decision on its own. She further said that protocols have to come from the central government. The health minister also raised concerns over a potential new strain of polio, possibly identified as wild polio, in Meghalaya. She said that the World Health Organization (WHO) is conducting a thorough investigation to confirm whether this is indeed a different strain.
For the treatment of Mpox, we will not jump the gun. It is at the moment, I'm told, located in a certain region or certain area. I am yet to get a proper briefing. We await Government of India briefing. We cannot take protocols and decisions on protocols on our own as a state. These protocols are designed through policy and advisories come from Government of India. To my knowledge, as of now, it is a buzz. People are talking about it. But whether or not there are specific SOPs as of today, I'm not sure. But we can